book collector nahi banna hai, district collector banna hai is what is generally said. So that should not be also focused on. GS में क्या issue होता है ना, GS is ever expanding, ever changing. If you stay a heartbroken lover for a subject, then that is an issue. Prioritize subjects as per the marks का weightage, not as per how much you like it, how much it is dear to you. But moving on from a subject is more crucial because every subject is to be covered. And I actually tell you, most of the people waste a lot of time in terms of note making, from newspaper, from GAS, from everything else. Note making is very crucial for one subject that is optional, extremely crucial for optional. मतलब you can't reinvent the wheel here. Everything almost जो कि static based है उसमें enrichment ही चाहिए. Even if you create a note, you will have to enrich it later. But India का map, अपने state का map, ये सब आना चाहिए. A person who actually can complete India ka map in 4-5 seconds is going to have a better presentation capacity, and the paper would also look much more presentable. In my case, I understood the fact that the recall period is very crucial. For me, it was 7 days. इसका मतलब ये है कि मुझे 7 दिन में मुझे पूरा revision करना है. As I mentioned, my majority of the sources were from PMP and MMP के notes. PMP के लिए तो material सब थे directly, तो वहाँ पे कोई ज़रूरत नहीं हुआ. And Anthro ke I had notes. Also, sir, every time sir speaks something new. So I keep adding to Anthro ke notes. As far as you know, एक marks में यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं. For example, at my mark exactly, there are 12 people in the same rank. So every mark counts. Also, please don't cut yourself off from everyone. पूरा worldly renunciation नहीं करना है. Complete renunciation of world affairs would be a great issue for you. Disaster is what I would understand, because it will have a elongated psychological impact on you. So connected रहे, बेहतर होगा मेरे हिसाब से.